Hello, my name is Denis Martins, and in this video I will demonstrate the local implementation of our midterm project. So all those folders here are our project, and the main file is this one here, function app, which is we have a durable workflow, we have an orchestrator, extract text, and on and on and on, all the information here. So basically, first we need to start, and let's wait for the message. We have two windows here, which is this one here are the logs, and here the function. So as we can see here, all the logs are running local 127.0.0.1, and we have the service here, detection, extra metadata, extraction text, generation report, PDF, and store report. So first thing, let's just test the hello, which is in this part here. Let's check the start. Okay, perfect. Let's fix here. So here it's our ID, and this is the address. So we just need to put our ID here on the address, and let's see the page. So here, as we can see here, they are reading the sample.pdf. That's the name of the PDF. What is the text of the PDF? How many characters do we have? 491. Here, for example, they get all the information from our email. So we have 3 emails here. We have 3 phone number here. They get the website and the date. So here the status. So the status is running, the version, and the ID here, the Microsoft ID. So basically, so that's our PDF that the file analyzed. So our email, the phone for each one, and then we generated the analysis report. So this part here is pretty the same that this one here. So 491, the emails, the phone number, the URL, okay, so that's the status that I already show you, the API status, and this is our local project.
Hi, my name is Divyang, and welcome to my part of the project. In this project, as we all know, that we have created a smart PDF analyzer, and I have handled mostly all the deployment and creation of Azure resources. So in these resources, as you can see, that I have created a one flex consumption application, function application, which is named, and under this application I have created 9 other triggers, right? Like other different triggers, HTTP triggers, and 9 other triggers, right? Like other different triggers, and 9 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 other different triggers, and and this application has been deployed to our Azure portal. And as it is as I am using a flex consumption, so I have to also use event grid. So for event grid, like what I have done, like we have created our storage account which name is cst8917 pdf, and also I have created a one event. Yes, you can see that there are two events. I created two events where we can able to, like, whenever there is an upload to our application, then we can get an information about that thing. So let's do a live demo of our application. And before doing a live demo, I want to do one thing. Let's we can here let's open our application, which says that yeah, our application is running successfully. And let's as I show you, I have created our storage account which name is the ch91 pdf, and then we have created one blob container which name is pdf. So I want to upload a file, a pdf file. So let's upload our one pdf file, like any, like we can just let's upload weekly schedule file. And yes, we can see that it got uploaded, and we can confirm it by here. Like you can see, it's like it has been completed here. So we can go here, just yeah, let's see. Oops. API. Yeah, so let's refresh it. So this shows that we like our application is running. It shows all the files which I have been uploaded here. Like I uploaded weekly schedule one. As you can see, there it shows weekly schedule. It shows like author name, title, subject, creator, creation date, modification, like everything. And it also shows uh, like page count, word count, average. And like I have uploaded other like I have read my own resume here. It also, like, it gives you text preview like what I have been written in my apart from that, I have also uploaded one assignment which shows that the title shows here, the creator shows. So this is like the http result hit points, and here is the store analyze for that file and page and word count, document metadata, everything, right? And for that, as we have created our application, like it is running locally also. Like here is our function app which is running locally. If I want to give like a quick review, like which we already did in video part 1 by Denise. So uh, yeah, and this is the part, this is the setup of our Azure account, Azure setup for our.
And let me walk through the each functions methods. Okay, so uh, yeah, so from let me yeah, this is the starting point. So when I upload any PDF into these specific PDFs containers, this will triggers. It will just read my blob. It will just read my PDF file name.
After that, we are calling our orchestration functions. Now, in these, we are doing fan out, fan in, plus scening. All the mechanisms it's happening under these PDF orchestrator functions. Now in the fan out, what we are doing, so we are calling four different kind of functions: extract text, extract metadata, statistics, sensitive data. Okay, they are not depend on each others, they can run parallelly. Okay, so in the extract text, we are just reading the text from the PDF files. Metadata, we are just extracting some metadata informations like author, title, subject, creator, producer, creation date, modification date. And in the statistics, we are just reading page count, word count, all the informations um, related to some statistics. And last, we have a sensitive data. So we are reading some email, phone, URL, date, those kind of informations we are reading with the help of some regex. Now, all the fan out happenings. So we have all the once the parallel task is completed, we have a results. Now, all the results we are storing in combined objects. Now, what happened? After that, we are generating some report, and for that, we are using create report functions. Okay. Now, in that, we are just returning some JSONs so that we can use to store the our result in the Azure table storage. Okay, yeah. So this is the store result function um, that we are um, accepting that JSONs, and based on that JSONs, we are creating some entity objects, and these entity object um, we are storing into that Azure table storage. Now, once we have a data in the Azure table storage, how we can read those data? So we have a API results endpoints, basically HTTP GET methods, HTTP GET functions. So these functions only hit when I just send any API request, API slash results, and slash I just need to pass the file ID. Once I hit that endpoints, it will trigger these functions, and these functions will return all the information that we have already stored in the Azure table storage for that specific file ID. Okay. Now we have defined constants. Okay. We have created some set helpers that we are using throughout this Python code, and yeah, and we have added some meaningful comment. So yeah, that's it from my side. Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Harshdeep Puri. In my part, I will explain our Git repo and the README file and the architecture diagram. This is our folder structure. These are the team members, Divyank, Harsh, and Dinesh and Harshdeep. This is the introduction part, and let me start with the architecture diagram. Uh, from this architecture, we can see the end-to-end flow. So whenever user uploads a document, trigger a blob created event. This activates our first function, that is blob trigger event. The client instantaneously passes to the function 2 PDF orchestration, which serves our central manager. From there, the orchestrator coordinates series of activities, function, extract data, compile reports, save the final data, save the final payload into Azure table storage, and make accessible via HTTP endpoint. So let me talk about the core function, that is fan in and fan out. Like fan in and fan out handle the heavy lifting. Orchestrators send the PDF to four workers simultaneously. They will analyze static data, scans sensitive data, read the metadata, and extract text in parallel. Once all are finished execution, fan in the trigger out the function chaining, because report saving must be done in a strictly order. And these tasks are chained one after another. This was the architecture diagram. These are the functions which I have used, detail about the two patterns, and then this is the tech stack we have used, and then again our folder structure, and then how we can run locally, and how to deploy on Azure. Like, this is the interesting problem we discuss here, and then some code, and then these are the authors. Thank you everyone. By combining this pattern with the help of clear documentation, we created a modular production ready serverless pipeline. Thank you.